In this video, we will show you how to replace your front bumper mounting bracket on this Toyota Sienna. This will be located behind your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to gain access to that front bumper bracket, we're going to remove 2 Phillips head mounting screws. Once you've done that, carefully take hold of the front bumper cover, give it a light tug away from the fender, dislodging it from its mounting bracket located behind. At this point, we have a clear view of the mounting bracket. If you were to look inside of each of these 2 ports, you'll find that you have a 10mm headed mounting bolt. We'll remove the pair and the bracket from the vehicle. We'll start with the front one. It's a little harder to gain access to here. We're just stretching the bumper cover gently. Alright, that screw's dislodged, but it's staying in place. We'll get this rearward one. You can see that rearward one coming out as well. Now at this point, we're going to give this a light tug, pulling it away from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Let's prepare to install our brand new front bumper mounting bracket. A quick look along the back side, we have the port for our mounting screw along the front side. And as for the back, when you put in your mounting screw, it's going to spread out these locking ears, holding it in place. We'll carefully pull that bumper cover away. Let's get this mounting bracket in position, being extremely careful not to damage our paint on our vehicle. Just press it right in. While holding this away, we'll continue on with our 2 mounting bolts. You want to make sure you start them in by hand. You can tell that we have one that has the coarse threading, and then we have a second bolt that has the fine threading. The bolt with the fine thread is the forward mounting bolt. Once again, start it in, snug it up. Double check to make sure that's completely secured. The next thing we'll do is take hold of that front bumper cover. We're going to lift it up into the proper position so it's aligned with the fender and along the bottom of the headlamp. Tap that in and continue on with your 2 Phillips head mounting screws. Hold this in position. Make sure that's tight. Double check to make sure your front bumper cover is completely secured.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.